into the linear inequalities. First, let us go through that. Suppose if you are taking a, what is meant by inequality before going to that, if 5 is added to the number, it gives a number that is more than 10. A number it is given. A number is nothing but unknown quantity. Okay. So here, first thing you need to know that linear inequalities is nothing but what? Equation, you know equation. Okay. Do you know about the equation? What is meant by equation? Already previously we learned. An open sentence which have the is equals to sign is called equation. Inequation is different from inequality. Do remember that inequalities are different from inequation. Inequation is nothing but there should be a variable. Inequality is nothing but you may have the numerical also. So numerical, that means 5 less than 7 it is given. That is also called inequality. If it is 2x is less than 7 is given to you, that is also called inequality. So if the 5 is added to a number, it gives the number more than 10. So that is nothing but how do you write this in the form of the inequality? 5 plus x. A number is nothing but you may take the any unknown quantity as a variable. If 5 plus x, it gives a number greater than more than 10. So 5 plus x is greater than 10. So that is you are going to get it here. If you take into consider this one. Okay. So this sentence can be expressed x plus 5 or 5 plus x is greater than, where x is any number, variable. Here it is a variable. So inequality is not two real numbers. Note this point here. The definition of the real inequality is two real numbers are two algebraic expressions related by the symbol less than, greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to forms an inequality. Only two algebraic expressions, if you join with these symbols, it is called inequation. Equation, just like inequation. But inequality is nothing but two real numbers also. 2 less than 7, if you take that is also inequality. 2 less than 7 is also called the inequality. So that is point you need to note here. Two real numbers into. So if you take here ax plus b is greater than 7, this is one inequality. And this is inequation also we can call, but we will discuss about the inequalities. X is a variable here. So types and examples you see here. Numerical inequalities. Numerical inequality, number is only there. Second, literal inequalities, variable is there. Strict inequalities is nothing but, see here one by one. This is numerical inequality. This is literal inequality. Literal inequality is nothing but, literals is nothing but variables. The another name for the literals is variable. You know that. So literal inequality. Next, strict inequality. Strict to all less than or equal to nahi hai. Less than or equals to nahi hai. So they are called as strict inequalities. And slack inequality. Slack inequality is nothing but which are having equal to also. Equal to, less than or equals to, if you are having, they are called as a slack inequalities. So linear inequality in one variable. Only one variable x is there everywhere. So that's why they are called linear inequalities in one variable. Next one is linear inequality in two variables. Linear inequality in two variables. Two variables are there, x and y are two variables. So algebraic solution of the inequalities in one variable. Whenever you take this type of this is one variable hai, and iska solution kya hoga? Can anyone say what can be the solution of this one? What can be the solution of this one? What can be the solution of this one?
Sir,
what we will get actually? A equation if you are taking
less
into
than 9 by 2.
Sir, one
equation. Huh?
Sir,
Graphical. Suppose
Should be less than 4.5.
Huh?
4.5.
No, I am asking that. Suppose is equals to is there. Is equals to is there means you are going to get on a number line, one point you are going to get x value. Whenever you take this one into the consideration, what do we get? Huh?
So 9/2.
9/2. 9/2 is not the solution. How many solutions will be there for this? Infinite number of solutions. The numbers which are less than 9/2 are all solutions of this inequation. So inequation will have the x equal to 0 substitute karo. Yes. Is it true? Yes, it is true. 1 substitute karo. This is substitution. 2 substitute karo. True. 3 substitute karo. True. 4 substitute karo. True. 5 substitute karo. Actually, real number whenever it is given, when we take the here, the question is given to you only integers. Please concentrate. If it
Yes,
is given, if it is given real numbers, it is infinite solutions. Since it is given integers, only you have to take the integers only into the consideration. So integers, whenever you take into consideration here, the numbers which are less than 4 all are possible. X belongs to integers is given. So not only 0 onwards, infinite solutions are there. Infinite, the numbers which are less than 4 are all the solutions. 5 if you take, it is not satisfying. So that's why you can take here into consider. This is not a solution for the 5 is not solution for the given inequation. It is not a solution. Remaining all are solutions. 0, 1, 2. Not only 0, -1 substitute karo. X less than 0, take any number. They are all possible. So the solution set is this one, infinite numbers, solution set of integers. In case of real numbers, if it is given, also infinite. In case of natural numbers, if it is given, 0 chodke 1, 2, 3, 4 only to be taken into consider. Yes, this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. If it is real numbers, we cannot write in the form of the roster form. Roster form mein nahi likh sakte. So the values of the x for which the statement holds true are called the solution of the inequality. Solution means true आना है, left hand side, right hand side satisfy होना है. Any solution of the inequality in one variable is the value of the variable that makes a true statement. So it makes a true statement. Okay. The rules that can be used for finding the solution of inequality. So what are the rules we have to do? Rule number 1 is equal numbers may be added or to be subtracted both sides of the inequality without affecting the sign of inequality. ये है. अब इसका अभी x plus 3 greater than 8 is given to you. Solution find out करना है तो both sides you can subtract or you can add without changing any sign. Okay. So here subtracting 3, so you got x greater than 5. You got x greater than 5. So that is a solution. You can add here 5 to that. So both sides of inequality can be multiplied or divided by the same positive number without affecting the sign. Positive number multiply कर लिया, positive number से divide कर लिया. It will not affect the sign, inequality sign. This is very important point you have to note. If you get here, see 3x is greater than 40 given, both sides 5 multiply कर दिया, 15x is greater than 20, both sides 2 से divide कर दिया. It is not going to affect same solution you are going to get. Next to 10, when inequality is multiplied or divided by a negative number, the sign of the inequality is reversed. This is very important point you have to note. Suppose in any inequality you are having a negative sign left hand side, you need to see here you are multiplying -1, then inequality sign greater than to less than change over. It changes to the greater than to less than. So whenever you divide by the -1 also the same thing, inequality sign less than होता है तो greater than करना है, greater than equal to less than करना. Why? Because normally you think that the reason is here, very simple reason. 2 less than 3, we know that. Both sides you multiply -2. You are going -2 is greater than -3 you are going to get now. That is obvious true. Obviously, on a number line, you consider if you take the one number line, 2 will be left side and 3 will be right side. Minus 3 will be left side and 2 will be right side. The left side numbers are always less than the right side numbers. So finding the solution of the inequalities using the rules. How do we find out? Suppose any inequality is given. Here 3x plus 4 is less than 22 is given to you. X is real numbers solution क्या है? X is natural number solution क्या है? पहले क्या करना है? इधर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में हमको +4 एक्स्ट्रा है, -4 करना है. So both sides, and next after 3 से divide करना है. So x less than 18/3, x is less than 6 you are going to get. 6 से less than values. So first solution क्या है? Real numbers it is given. Yes, directly you can do it. Left hand side कैसे किया है? वो transfer कर दिया. Right hand side subtracting. Next to divide by the 3. Both are same. You are going to get both the ways same answer you are going to get. Not different answers. Okay.
Yes,
so
sir.
in case of the real numbers, minus it, the open interval it is given to you, not the closed interval. 6 should not be included. If it is given less than or equals to here, you have to include the for the 6 closed interval. 6 को closed लिखना है. Okay. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
So here in case of the real numbers, graphically represent करना है तो ये ही चीज को 6 लेना है, 6 को इंक्लूड नहीं करना है, 6 के प्लस में ऐसा सर्किल मारना है एंड लेफ्ट साइड टिक यूज करना है. सेकंड सॉल्यूशन क्या है? नेचुरल नंबर्स दो दिया. नेचुरल नंबर्स मींस 1 2 3 4 5 only you are going to get. Another question here, see 6x plus 7 greater than or equal to 3x minus 8. This type of the solutions if it is given, what to do? Both the variable terms you have to make together. And here see left hand side what is plus 7 is there, so minus 7 कर दिया है. Now right hand side we are having 3x. Okay, 3x is subtract करना है हमको. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड वेरिएबल चाहिए, so 3x is less than greater than or equal to minus 15. Here what to do? 3 से डिवाइड करना है, माइनस नहीं. राइट हैंड साइड माइनस होने दो, so you have to divide by the 3 only. 3x is by 3 greater than or equal, so x is greater than or equal to minus 5. Minus 5 से greater values all should be included, greater than or equal to this, so minus 5 को include करना है. ग्राफिकल में नंबर लाइन में रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए वो पॉइंट को हाईलाइट करना है, like this. Here it is shown to you na. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So graphical solution of the linear inequalities in two variables. Two variables whenever it is given to you, how do we find out the solution? Okay, so that we will see here actually, that we are based on this you are going to have the, usually the first exercise you are going to have the single variable only. Okay, in two variables you are going to have the second exercise. So we will move to the first exercise based on this only. The next thing we are going to learn in the next class. Two variables में graphical representation how do we do, and now we will go for the exercise problems. समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
Is the board is visible to you now?
Yes, sir. Clearly, sir.
Clear है ना?
Yes, sir.
So exercise 6.1 let us start now. Okay, 6.1 स्टार्ट करते हैं. 6.1 के रिलेटेड यही है, सिंगल वेरिएबल में सॉल्यूशन कैसे निकालते हैं. हाउ डू वी फाइंड आउट द सॉल्यूशन? ओके, so solution कैसे निकालते हैं, then let us find out here. Okay, so the question is given to you here in this situation. Linear inequalities. So exercise 6.1 में first question क्या दे दिया है? First question is 24x less than 100. 24x less than 100. When x is a natural number, when x is an integer. First thing is given. First question में natural number है. So x less than 100 by 24. X less than 100 by 24. So x is less than 100 by 24 is nothing but 24 fours are approximately
25 by 6.
Huh?
25 by 6.
Nah, you directly think here 25 fours are 100. Nah? 25 fours are 100. Divide 100 with 24. If you are having denominator 25, 100 numerator, 4 answer you are doing. As you are having 24, what do you get here? More than 4 point something you will get. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what do you get here? 4 point something. If you want exactly divide the 24 fours are 96 हो जाएगा. 4 decimal point आपको 40. 4 point approximately 4.1. Approximately 4.1 approximately you are going to get. So decimal point. So first question, x is natural number given. X is a natural number. So since it is a natural number, what do you have to take? X is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the natural numbers. So the solution is this one. The solution set for this equation is 1, 2, 3, 4. If x is a natural number, x is an integer whenever it is given. Second question में दे दिया है x is integer. So it is given to you integer. So since it is an integer values, what you are doing? X dash 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 dash. All the numbers which are less than 4.1 should be taken into consideration. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can write here solution set. Solution set is equals to dash 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 -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this roster form you can write in case of integers given to you. And natural numbers if it is given to you. Even here also you can write solution set. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So second question, if you see that negative number it is given to you, -12x is greater than 30. -12x is greater than 30. In this situation, whenever you see the variable is x, and it contains a negative coefficient. So negative coefficient is nothing but you have to divide by the negative number. So whenever you divide by the negative number on both sides, inequality sign changes. Do remember that. Inequality sign. If you subtract, it does not changes. If you divide, if you multiply. So here I am dividing both sides by the -12. So the inequality sign is greater than will become less than. And here also -12. This -12 will get cancelled. 30 by -12. So like otherwise, -30 by 12. 12 is a 24. 6 will be there. 2.5. 12 is a 60. Divide that. 12.
Sir, in case we want to multiply, we have to change the greater than or less than sign. Sir, in case of multiplication and division, we have to, when will we multiply the both side of the
always not. Multiplication and division whenever you are doing by the negative number.
Yes, sir.
Negative number.
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
What you are saying? Yeah? Your voice is not clear. Hello? Hello?
Very clear, sir.
What he is saying? Is it? Okay, Abhishek, your doubt will be clarified after. Then I'll make a call to you and I'll clarify you. Okay? Voice is not reaching me properly. Okay? Your voice is not reaching me properly. So now here, do remember that I think you are asking that negative number से क्यों multiply करना है, क्यों divide करना है. Here we want x. X coefficient is what here? What the x coefficient? X coefficient you are having a negative number. So you need x only. So that's why you have to divide by x. Suppose if you take the third problem, 5x minus 3 less than 7. Here what you have to do? The x coefficient is not negative. So inequality sign does not changes. First क्या करना है? +3 करना है both sides. Otherwise directly 3 को shift करो. Shifting, transforming the number. So ये इधर जाएगा. So we are going to get 5x is equals to 7 plus 3. Sorry, less than 5x is less than 10. X is less than 2. Like that you can do it. Okay. So 5 to 6 linear inequalities में some selected problems I am going to explain to you, which will be a little bit in a confusion way to do. Okay. I think these are all very easy to you and it's not very difficult. ये सारा easy है, easily कर सकते हैं. So in this fifth problem, three x minus 7 is greater than 5x minus 1. Both sides you are having algebraic expression. Both sides you are having algebraic expression. In this situation, what to do? Normally, do remember all the variables you take to the left hand side, all the constants you take to the right hand side.
So subtracting both sides by 8 minus 8. Subtracting both sides by minus 8.
In one step only you can do. See, this 5x I am taking here, this one to the left side. So just when you transforming the complete term को transform कर रहे हैं. So that is nothing but you are doing addition or subtraction. So inequality sign does not change. 3x minus 5x is greater than minus 1 as it is here. This minus 7x here comes means plus 7. You can write like this. So but here you will get 2 but minus 2x is greater than plus 6. Now what to do? Minus 2 से divide करना है. Directly minus 2 को इधर लेके आ सकते हैं. So that is nothing but whenever you do that division by the minus 2, 6 divided by minus 2, ये greater than becomes less than. So minus 2 cancel, 2 1s are 2 3s are, so x is less than minus 3. The solution is x is less than. For all the real values here. So whenever it is given to you, you can write the solution. The solution is x belongs to the minus infinity to minus 3 open interval, not closed. It is open interval to be taken into consideration. Okay? समझ में आया? Or you can express this in you can express in a set builder form also. Set builder form में भी express कर सकते हैं. यही लिख के x belongs to set such that x less than minus 3, x belongs to the real numbers. Better you use the intervals. Intervals आप लोगों को practice होना है. Intervals use करना सीखो. Suppose this one only graphically if you want to represent. ये graphically represent करना चाहते हैं. Number line लेना. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 3 is not included, but less than minus 3 all are included. So इधर एक सर्किल करके इसको हाईलाइट करना like this. With the pencil you have to make it highlight. Number line पे represent. Okay, so that is 17th problem onwards we are going to have, and the next 8th problem. You see the 8th problem. 3 into 2 minus x. 3 into 2 minus x is greater than or equals to 2 into 1 minus x. Okay, so what you can here 3 multiply. Sorry, when I left the class, Abhi,
Sir, 1 minute ago, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minute हो गया. Okay. Sorry, sir.
I think I explained the item permission.
हाँ, ये देखो, ये प्रॉब्लम होगा. 6 2 3 मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. 6 को उधर ट्रांसफर कर लिया, ये इधर. Here most of the students, what the mistake they will do here in this situation? ये माइनस माइनस कैंसिल करते हैं बहुत ज्यादा लोग. लिख के इधर x greater than or equal to 4 लिखता है. No, x greater than or equal to 4 you are not supposed to write. Okay? माइनस माइनस कैंसिल नहीं होता है नॉर्मली. इक्वेशंस में माइनस माइनस कैंसलेशन इज नथिंग बट व्हाट यू आर मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय द माइनस. सपोज इन केस ऑफ ये ज्यादा हैबिट में हो जाते हैं. माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू -4 इफ इट इज रिटन. ये माइनस माइनस कैंसिल करके x इक्वल टू 4 लिखते हैं. यही आदत इधर भी करते हैं सम स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, बट यू आर नॉट सपोज्ड टू डू लाइक दैट. देयरफॉर मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय द -1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया तो x लेस देन और इक्वल टू 4 minus infinity to 4 answer. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So next. So like that, I think these are all just a simplification. Algebra, if you know that, you can do it.
Hello, sir.
It is exit हो रहा है बार बार. Okay. So what to do here in this case? ये तो कर सकते हैं ना? I think you can do it. Can you do it? Can you do it? Is it audible? Hello?
So question number 11.
हाँ. Question number 11 है ये.
Yes, sir.
It's very simple. I think इसके बाद क्या करना है? ये इधर लेके आओ. ये constant को उधर लेके आओ. All the variables to be together. So plus हो जाएगा. 50 plus 18 हो जाएगा. So if you 25 plus 9, 34. 34 x is less than or equals to 68. X is less than or equals to 68 by 34. 34 by 34 means x less than or equals to x less than or equals to 2. So x belongs to minus infinity to 2.